So I'll be showing you how to set a custom photo as the background on your iPhone keyboard. Now, for this to work, we're not going to be able to use the default iPhone keyboard. You'll have to install GBoard or the Google keyboard. And this keyboard can be found in the Apple App Store. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, find the GBoard, install it, and set it up. If you want to see a full video on how to install and set up the GBoard, then I'll link that video down below. But once you have your GBoard or the Google keyboard up and running, to use a custom photo as the background, simply go to the GBoard application, and then so that's the GBoard application. When you tap on the icon, this is what you're going to see. So what you need to do is go to themes, tap on that, and then you can see different themes for the keyboard, but at the top there you should say custom. So if you tap on that, it opens up your gallery. So from the gallery you can choose a specific photo. So let me, for instance, choose this photo. And then I can resize the photo the way I want, or I can reposition the details of the photo the way I want them, and then tap on choose. And then now, as you can see, that image is now my background. Of course, I can change other things. I can go ahead and choose I can customize the opacity of the keyboard vis-a-vis the background. I can change background color. I can change text color, all that stuff. And when I'm happy, I can tap on done, and that's going to be my new keyboard background. So anytime I'm on my keyboard on the iPhone, I should see that custom photo background. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.